everyone, so today I have got an exciting video. I have got the Boots A Little Something advent calendar. I actually bought this ages ago and I put it away and I forgot that I had it. So I've had this advent calendar lying here for nearly a month and a half. But I unboxed so many advent calendars this year. I think I just like I kept unboxing other ones, and then this one got put to the bandwagon. So it says it's £30. I don't know whether it's actually £30 at the minute. I'm going to have a look. Give me a second. It is actually still £30. I think this is a 24-day advent calendar. I'm quite excited. I'm sure I've opened this before and I really liked it. So we're just going to unbox it anyways, and I will have it linked down below for you guys as well. But let's just get into it. So this retails around £1.42 a day. And we're just going to unbox it. This is how it goes. You open it up like that. So it's quite a simplistic design. I do prefer this sort of design of advent calendar, if I'm being honest. I'm just going to get into it. £1.40 odd a day. Day number 1. Let's see what we've got. We have got the Peony Blossom Body Butter 50ml size. Oh, it smells gorgeous. This is what it looks like there. It smells absolutely beautiful. Really nice, it does. So that is that. But I remember lately from last year, it was very hand creams, shower gels, things like that. I think we did get a body mist. Day number 2. We have got the A Little Something Neroli Garden Hand Scrub. I'm definitely avoiding anything like this for my hands. I'll have a smell if it's not sealed. It smells nice. It smells very fragrant, but as you guys know, I've had a really bad reaction on my hand this year, so I'm trying to stay away from products that I don't know my skin isn't irritated to. So that's day number 2. We're in day number 3, which is here. I quite like the shape of this box. It just makes you think, I wonder what I'm going to get in. Oh! We have got A Little Something Tropical Storm Hydrating Face Mask. Someone commented last year that this advent calendar is made in the same factory as the Ted Baker advent calendar. And when you feel the packaging of this face sheet mask to like the Ted Baker one, it does kind of make you wonder. But it says it is doesn't actually say hydrating face mask. Very nice. It's vegan and cruelty free and all, so that's good. I think everything should be. That is day number 3. We're into day number 4, which is here. I like the shape of this box. It feels heavy. Ooh, it's got gorgeous orange packaging. It is A Little Something Tropical Storm Shower Gel. Now these are 50ml, so these would be good for travelling. Or is it 30ml for travelling? I don't know, but that smells really nice, whatever it is. So nice. Like, really fruity. I wish you could smell it. That's number 4. We want day number 5. I do wish it was like Christmassy scents though. So I don't really want like a tropical scent in the winter. Right. Day number 5. We have got something like this. I don't know what it is. It's got tissue paper. Oh, it's coming in a lovely tub. It is the Peach Crush Lip Scrub. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that smells like something else. Actually smells gorgeous. What's the texture of it? Let's have a look. This is it, yeah. It's like a very sugary texture. Oh, it's beautiful. That is really nice. Really nice. I'm so excited about that. I need a lip scrub. I've gotten loads of lip scrubs, but you know, I really like that. That was 5. We want day number 6, which is here. We have got A Little Something Tropical Storm Body Lotion. Did the Tropical Storm not come in a different colour before? Really nice. Just smells fruity. That's the only way I can describe it. Really nice though. Like, really nice. That was number 6. We want day number 7, which is here. what do we have? We've got a nail file. It's a pretty designed nail file. I don't know how I feel. I like nail files, but this is a £30 advent calendar, so I don't know. I do like getting nail files when I use them, but yeah, it's £30 and it's not the best quality. The little ones in the Beauty Works calendar, which is 25 at the minute, the two little ones, they're proper like good grit nail files, good files. 7 and anyways, so we went Dynamite, which is, yeah, oh, this is heavy. We have got a body mist. I love the packaging on this. This is Jasmine Drift. Let's have a smell of this. I'm not sure I like jasmine. Yeah. No. Not for me. And I very rarely say that about fragrances. Very rarely say that about fragrance. No. Not for me. Not for me at all. Very jasmine-y. Very. That's 8. We want to day number 9, which is here. We have got a little mini bath fizzer at £1.40 a day. I'm not sure. I'm very happy with that. All I can smell is that jasmine. I'm so sorry. So that's 9. We want day number 10, which is here. We have got a loofah. I'm not going to lie, this is a good quality loofah, and I think you pay about £1 for like loofahs. This is a good loofah. If you heard a farty noise, that is my phone, I'm sorry. But yeah, that is a good quality loofah, so can't complain about that. That was 10. We want day number 11, which is here. And we've got a hand cream. It is the Neroli hand cream. I'm just going to leave that closed up because this, I'm just staying away. I'm only going to use hand creams that I know, just to be safe. That was 11. On day number 12, which is up here. We have got a lip cream. So that's nice, something different. It says it's a little something lip cream, and it looks like in a nice little peachy tone. Really looks nice. I can't remember whether we got a lip cream in it last year. So that was day number 12. Did we was an 11? I'm always second guessing myself now because I have missed days before. So that's 12. We went day number 13, which is here. It's another heavy one. Ooh, it is the Peony Body Wash. I love the packaging in this. Let's have a smell of this. Oh, I like that. I think that is my favourite scent. I think the peony. I really like that. That is 13. We went to day number 14, which is here. We have got another gorgeous orange packaging, and it is the Peach Crush hand cream. I love the colour of this packaging. Beautiful. So we've got that. Good sizes, can't complain. And you know, if you wanted to stock up on your shower gels, your body creams for the year, I think this is a good one. That's 14. We want 15, which is a little one here. Let's have a look. I feel like we got makeup in this now that I'm remembering. Yes. So a little something, highlighter or eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow. We definitely did. I remember getting this last year and they were nice enough. I'm not going to swatch them because I've got this shade a million times over, and I'd rather be able to put these in like my advent calendar giveaways or something like that. Yeah, so you do get that, which is very cute. I've actually been making the effort to wear eyeshadow lately. I don't know if you have noticed. That's 15. We want day number 16, which is this little one here. Oh, we've got a little travel eye brush with a little heart on. The quality feels nice and all. I feel like this would be good for your like inner corners. Really nice. I like little travel size eye brushes, I'm not gonna lie. So that's 16. We want day number 17, which is here. I'm assuming it'll be another little eyeshadow thing or something. I feel like it might be a lip balm or scrub. So it is the Peach Crush lip balm. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Gorgeous. That was 17. We want day number 18, which is here. We have got a little something bronzer. It's a very fair bronzer, like very fair. And that is it there. We want day number 19, which is here. Oh, we've got that another gorgeous orange packaging. We have got the Peach Crush Moisturising Face Mask. So another moisturising face mask. Love how it's orange. I just love the orange tone on it. That was 19. We want day number 20, which is down here. Got another makeup item. This is a little something eyeshadow. Again, everything's a little something. I don't know why I keep saying it, but you know. That is it there. Really nice. That's 20. We want day number 21, which is here. We've got another little bath fizzer. Oh, I can smell that. That's very, very fresh. Yeah, could actually smell it this time. I haven't got that fragrance wafting all over. So that was 21. We're on 22, which is here. We have got another little brush. I feel like this one's not as nice quality. It's still good quality, like the hairs are there, not coming out. But yeah, definitely more of a different sort of quality brush. That was 22. We want 23. Another little one. We have got a little something highlighter, and if you've got last year's, it looks exactly the same shade, if I'm being honest. I end up using mine as like a glittery, shimmery eyeshadow. And that is it there. That's 23. We want day number 24, which is a big day. Our last day, a very large day. What are we getting? We are getting a body mist, but in the peony scent. Oh, thank God, not that jasmine scent. This is a 200ml. Let's have a smell. I hope I like it. Oh yeah, no, that's more like it. That's more me. And I very rarely don't like scents, but I'm funny. Jasmine, I always think like it gives an undertone of like just. Not for me, actually. I'm not even going to say it because it's kind of rude. But it's just an undertone of something I do not like. Yes, that's 24. I'm very happy with that day. It was a big daddy day and all. And that is the little something advent calendar unboxed. So this advent calendar is £30. I honestly don't know whether it's on the 3 for 2. I just think it's a little bit pricey for what you're getting. Especially like... if you want to stock them on your body creams, hand creams and stuff like that, and the sizes, all the sizes are good, apart from them little bath fizzers, and then it works out at £1.40 a day. I wouldn't pay £1.40 a day for them bath fizzers. I wouldn't pay £1.40. I can't remember what was the other thing, the nail file. I think if you can get it on the 3 for 2, I think it's not so bad. £30 on its own, I think it's reaching just a little bit. I think it's more £25. I mean, it's not bad price. It's still a very budget advent calendar, you know. But I definitely think at the £30 mark, I feel like there's other ones that you can get that are just as good, if I'm being honest. Yeah, that's kind of like my 2 pence on it. But it's really whether you think it's worth it for yourself. But yeah, it's not. Like, I wouldn't rush out and buy it for £30, even though I have, but you know what I mean. I unbox them for you guys. That is my kind of 2 pence on it in anyways. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!